How I got the government to compel Chase Bank to pay. Ever noticed how the world is teeming with fake financial gurus and social media scammers these days? Yep, we fell for one of these frauds, hiring them to help with our business developments. Spoiler alert, it was a disaster. After countless failed meetings and empty promises, we demanded a refund. They assured us it was on the way. Guess what? It never arrived. So we disputed the charges with Chase Bank. Now, dealing with Chase's outsourced branch of hell was another nightmare. Despite presenting solid evidence of the breach of contract and the promised refund, they kept rejecting our case. It was like trying to argue with a brick wall. After multiple futile attempts, we decided to bring in the big guns, the government. We reached out to the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, and let me tell you, within a day or two, Chase suddenly found our refund. Just like that, our account was credited. Here is how we did it. 1. Document everything. First things first, you need to document everything. I mean everything. Every email, every call, every broken promise from the bank. File it away. Banks love to wriggle out of responsibility, so you need a case so strong they can't get out of it. 2. Know your rights. Arm yourself with knowledge. Banks rely on you not knowing your consumer rights. Familiarize yourself with the laws and regulations that protect you. When you quote specific laws and regulations to the CFPB, it shows you mean business. It's like speaking fluent legalese to a bureaucratic dragon. 3. Craft a compelling complaint. Write your complaint to the CFPB like it's the opening statement in a courtroom drama. Be clear, concise, and compelling. Outline the bank's failings and how they've wronged you. Make it so persuasive that even a bank executive would feel a pang of guilt. For example, in our case, the bank admitted to us, 1, that they put our case in the wrong category, and 2, they kept requiring us to resubmit the case multiple times only to then reject us. We made sure this was included in our complaint to highlight the bank's incompetence and deliberate obstruction. 4. Leverage the human element. Remember, the CFPB is staffed by humans, not robots. Use the human element to your advantage. Explain how the bank's actions have affected you personally and financially. A touch of pathos can go a long way. Make them feel your pain.